Okay guys, first offer of today has been super slow. It is close to 4 o'clock. It is from Car Junior. When I took the offer was close to 4 miles for close to $10. So mile to a ratio, not that bad. Hopefully have it ready. Okay guys, we got it. Now it's time to put in the car and get on the way. Okay guys, so we're here at this next drop-off. Hopefully it is not hard to find. Let me check. It says that the let me check what the room number is. 2622. I'm gonna keep going over there. Probably it's over there, somewhere over there. Let's keep this moving, guys. Okay guys, so I believe I'm here. Yeah, 2622 upstairs. You're welcome. Have a good day, ma'am. Okay, guys, so we got it. Now, let's get on the way. Okay, guys, so next pickup, it is from DoorDash from Island. And you don't have when you're going to do something else, and then they just come out with some offers. Hey, that I was going to go to the gym because it was super slow, and then they opened a schedule for me. So I took it. I'm gonna go to the gym later. We'll see. Okay, guys, so we got it. Now let's put it in the car and head on the way. Okay guys, so we're doing a little bit of dirty multi-apping because it's super slow. So I'm pairing this Ubereats offer with the DoorDash offer, and hopefully everything goes fine. So, but this one was just good and has some hidden tips. Hi, how you doing, man? Hey, I got a pickup for Morgan.
Morgan, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These two bags.
Okay, thank you very much.
Thank you.
Have a good day.
You too.
Okay guys, so we got it. Now let's put it in the car and get on the way. Okay guys, so we're here. Next drop off for this one right here, 48822. Okay guys, that's done. Okay guys, so the next pickup, it is from Ubereats and it is from California Pizza Kitchen. When I took the offer, was less than a mile for $11. So I thought, geez, I probably hit a home run. You know, just look at the offer. It is 2 items, so well, you never know. Maybe somebody, you know, give us like a really nice tip. Probably not. Okay guys, so let me get in here. Okay guys, so just got it. We're desperate to go. I don't think the guy even did a stop sign. Anyway, so let me put this in the car and get on the way. Okay guys, so we're here about to do the drop off for the Ubereats. So let's get this going, guys. Guys, I got super lucky. I was able to grab another pickup for 3 miles, less than 3 miles, for close to $15 from this place right here. So let me see. I think Grubhub just gave me another offer. Yeah, this one not that great, guys. Okay, guys, so let me get this going. Hopefully they have it ready. Who knows? Okay, guys, so we got the pickup and the chair was crowded. Like rich old people, they don't respect. Everybody's crowding me, and you're like, hey, give me my space. Okay, guys, so let me cross the street. Hopefully I don't get hit by any cars. So. Okay, guys, so we're here. Next drop off. Grubhub drop off for this house. 48241. You're welcome. Have a good night, ma'am. Okay, guys, so we got. Okay, guys, next pickup, it is from the Daily Grill, and this is a double one. One from got two from Grubhub, one from here, and then the other one from Buffalo Wings. Okay, guys, so we got it. Now let's bring the car and get on the way. Okay, guys, so we're going to do a combination of Ubereats and Grubhub. I got two from Ubereats, but the other one is not such a great order, so I'm going to combine it with Ubereats. Hopefully it's better. We will see if it's ready. Okay, guys, so I'm going to take this one and combine it with the Grubhub and let the other one Grubhub goes, because this one has some hidden tips. It's California Pizza Kitchen, so hopefully we will see. Okay, guys, so we are here, 245. Okay, that's done, guys. Now let's get on the way. Okay, guys, over here. Okay, guys, next pickup, it is from DoorDash. It is from Panda Express. It is a little pickup, but it's putting me closer to my, my zone. So I think it's that one over there. The pickup orders for Arnity. Let me go inside, see if they have it ready. Okay, guys, so we got it, and what am I gonna say? And it's crowded over there, so then you have to make their drinks and shit. Anyway, so let me put this in the car and get on the way. Okay, guys, so I think this is the house. House number 2. Course, can I see? Yeah, right here. Okay guys, that's done. Let's get on the way. Okay guys, over here, and then I have to call the customer. Guys, over here. Now, the apartment is this one right here. So you want me to do 29 Miradors. Okay, so hopefully it's right here. Okay, so let me check. Hey guys, next pickup of the night, it is from Ubereats, from PA Change, and it seems that it's a decent sized pickup, but who knows, might be good, it might be not. Anyway, so let's get this running, guys. Okay guys, you're welcome. Okay guys, so we got the order. Now it is time to get on the way. I think this is going to a Marriott hotel, so we have some hidden tips. We will see. Guys, hate this. Look at this. 9 items. Look at that. 32 items. Look at that, guys. 32 items. And then you're like, yeah. This is just an add-on that got from Uber Eats. You're like, yeah, this is gonna have some hidden tips. And then you open it, and it's pure crap. Like 5 cookies, 3 plasticware, 3 special sauce, 5 soy sauce, 2 chili pasta, 6 plates. I mean, give me a break, man. They should not even list the shit as items. Anyway, so let me put one in the car and then head back and grab the other one. Okay guys, so we are here, we back at PA Change, grabbing the other order, which got me really excited. Then was just like poop. Anyway, so let's go inside and hopefully they have it ready. Okay guys, so I got lucky and I was able to pick up another offer from PA Change. So I'm doing 3 from Uber using multiple accounts. Anyway, so there was another one from Uber too, really good. But anyway, so let's get this going, guys. Hey, how you doing? Hey, I got a drop-off for one of your guests, and they told me just to leave it here in the lobby.
Last name or first name?
It says it's for Islas A. So.
Oh, sorry. Where's the name?
Right here. What's this?
Islas A is room 2516.
Yes.
Sorry, I'm gonna send you to the room.
But you told me to leave it here.
Oh, have a seat in the lobby. Sorry, I can't collect the food.
Huh?
Have a seat in the lobby. I can't collect the food.
Okay, so what is the room 25? 215. What is it? What is the room 215?
2516 is right there in building 25, sir.
What enter do I need to take? This one or the other one?
That one.
That one, the other one.
Just dial 0 and say food delivery.
Okay, okay.